Hi and welcome to Bytes and Bits. I've been setting up a PC with Windows 11 and I had a bit of a problem with setting up one of the drivers. So I've downloaded a driver here, and if I try and run that, I get this app blocked message coming up, and again saying here that an administrator has blocked this app from running. Now I'm actually running as an administrator here. Even if I then try and run this by right-clicking on it and then using the Run as Administrator just to sort of make sure my levels are elevated, it is still giving me this app blocked error. Now there is a way around this. What seems to be happening is that if I'm running it through File Explorer here, it's running the program before it's giving me the elevated administrator access or something along those lines. So what I need to do is I need to actually come down to my Windows button here, and if I type in CMD, that will bring me up a command prompt. And one of the options for the command prompt is to actually open that as an administrator. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually opening up this terminal window or command prompt, and this has now got my elevated administrator privileges in there. So what I need to do now is I need to run this application that I want to run inside my administrator command prompt. So I can do that if I come across to my application and the Linux File Explorer. If I right-click on that and then copy that as a path, I can come back into my administrator prompt. If I right-click, that should paste it in, or I right-click and paste, depending on what options you get. I need to take off these inverted commas around it. And that now gives me a direct path to that application program. So if I just simply hit enter in my command prompt, that will now activate that program. And as you can see, it's now giving me the administrator privileges and allowing me to actually run that application. So I can now go through and actually run that application as normal. So I hope you find this useful. If you do come up with this error when trying to run something, then do make sure that you try this out and run as administrator. Obviously, if you are running some files from the internet, please do make sure that you do test these programs out with your antivirus software. So right-click on them. I'm using Norton Security, so it will let me scan that. And of course, that seems to come up all okay. And with Norton Internet Security, I do then have a File Insight, which gives me a bit of a background to this program and seeing how many people have been using it and what sort of issues they've come up against. So hopefully you find that useful. Do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you find it useful. Do check out my other videos on some gaming, IT issues, programming and coding. I look forward to seeing you again very soon, and bye for now. For more games programming, electronics projects and retro gaming, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website.